Uncommon sense. Howard Marks 4 investment insights most people ignore. The stock market is a crowded room. Thousands of people looking at the same data, reading the same headlines, buying the same stocks. If you think exactly like everyone else, you will get the exact same results. Howard Marks, the legendary billionaire investor, calls this the ultimate trap. To win, you don't need more information. You need a completely different way of thinking. Insight 1, second level thinking. This is the core of his masterpiece. The most important thing. First level thinking is simple. It says, this is a great company. Let's buy the stock. But second level thinking goes deeper. It asks, it's a great company, but is the price too high? Is everyone else already buying it? Is the risk greater than the reward? In investing, it is not what you buy. It is what you pay for it. Insight 2, the pendulum of investor psychology. Markets are driven by emotions, and emotions move like a pendulum. On one side is greed and optimism. On the other side is fear and panic. When things are good, people think they will stay good forever. They take too much risk. When things crash, they think the world is ending. They sell everything. Marx warns us, the pendulum never stays at the center. Your job is to stay calm while everyone else is swinging. Insight 3, mastering the market cycle. You cannot predict the exact future. No one can, but Marx teaches us that while we don't know where we are going, we should know where we are. Look around you. Is the market full of easy money, high prices, and reckless buyers? Then it is time to be cautious. Is the market full of panic, low prices, and terrified sellers? Then it is time to be aggressive. Listen to the cycle. Take the temperature of the room. Insight 4, risk control over risk avoidance. Many people think great investing is about finding the biggest winners. Marx proves it is about avoiding the losers. Great investing is asymmetric. It means positioning yourself so that if you are right, you win, but if you are wrong, you don't get wiped out. Do not try to eliminate risk entirely. That is impossible. Instead, learn to manage it. Control the downside, and the upside will take care of itself. The crowd wants quick wealth. They want a sure thing. But the most important thing is uncommon sense. Be a contrarian. Don't chase the high. Don't panic at the low. Master the cycle. Control the risk, and let time work for you.